Hello friends, my name is Namasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic, the Chief Product Owner. Friend, today's topic is very interesting and very important with respect to the concepts of a Scrum framework, and especially if you are a person working as a professional in any organization as a manager for software development. So this is a very important topic for you, or if you are a student and studying in university for the concepts of project management and some Scrum framework. So again, this is a very important topic for you. So let's just start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's just start. Chief Product Owner. First of all, friend, we have to understand that what is the background of this concept, actually. Chief Product Owner. Chief Product Owner is a role in Scrum framework, actually. Now, what is a Scrum framework? Scrum is a framework which is used for the implementation or management of software or IT projects. Scrum is a framework which is based on the agile approach, in which we divide the project into multiple chunks called as sprint. Sprint is a 3 to 4 week time period, and we deliver the project to customer on basis of multiple chunks or multiple sprint, actually. So this is the main concept of a Scrum framework. In a Scrum, we have three main roles, actually, or core role: Scrum Master, Product Owner, and then the Scrum team. Okay, so these are the three main role in the Scrum framework. Product Owner is a person who has the complete vision of the product which needs to be developed. Scrum team is the core team, like software engineers, software developers, QA engineers, who are developing the application or project, actually. And the Scrum Master is a role which has which is the facilitator role, or the servant leader role, and he has the complete knowledge about the Scrum body of knowledge, and he is ensuring that the team is following the Scrum body of knowledge or Scrum framework. Now, the who is now the Chief Product Owner? And the Chief Product Owner is one of the roles recognized by the Scrum Scale, actually. Scrum Scale means that whenever we are scaling the Scrum, scaling means that when we are managing a large project or large number of teams. Normally in a Scrum, the team size is 4 to 5 team members. However, whenever we are scaling the Scrum to a large project, like for example, we are managing a team of 15 to 20 team members, okay, then basically the concept of Chief Product Owner came. Why? Because see, normally the team size is 4 to 5 team members in the Scrum, but when we are scaling the large project, like when we are managing large projects, large team size like 15 to 20 team members generally, so there then we need a Chief Product Owner. That role is similar to the role of the product owner, but driven at the Scrum of Scrum. A Scrum of a Scrum level is, that is what does mean, that normally it is called as SOS as well. Friend, again, whenever we are managing a large project, whenever we are scaling a project, a Scrum, so Scrum of a Scrum used. Now, what is a Scrum of a Scrum? A Scrum of a Scrum means that what we do, like for example, you are managing 4 to 5 team member of a Scrum. Okay, so this is the concept of a Scrum. Then whenever we are scaling the project, or whenever we are managing large projects, we use the concept of a Scrum of a Scrum. Basically, Scrum of a Scrum is a meeting in which what we do, like Scrum Master from the one team, for example, 5 team member is a team A, and another team of 5 team member is another team B, for example. So from team A we take one member as a Scrum Master, for example, and from team B we take another team member as a Scrum Master. So from a Scrum Master for team A and a Scrum Master from team B, both conduct the Scrum of Scrum meeting. In that meeting, we discuss that what we are doing, what we are actually doing, what are the issues, what are the risks, and how we are managing the things, whatever the impediments or bottlenecks we are facing, we are discussing in that meeting. The purpose of that meeting is that like both teams are will be integrated with each other. They will not work in the isolation. They know what actually happening, and whatever the issues are there, whatever they are doing, they are interacting and they are sharing with each other. So this is the concept of a scrum of a scrum actually. This allows the product owner role to remain intact, including having decision making power over their portion of the product. The two roles are also expected to work together on an ongoing basis to fulfill their combined responsibilities. So basically, chief product owner, this role came whenever we are scaling the project, and during the scrum of a scrum meeting, product owners or scrum master, they are discussing the things what's going on, whatever the issues are there. And after the scrum of a scrum meeting, product owner will be updated, and product owner, above the product owner there is a role of chief product owner. Okay, basically product owner roles is a main role in the scrum, and whenever we are scaling the scrum, so there is a role of chief product owner. Now first of all, we have to understand that actually what's product owner is doing. Friend, product owner is a person that is responsible, he is the voice of the customer. Okay, and he knows that what is the vision of the product, what needs to be done, and he knows that he is a bridge between the customer and the scrum team. He is responsible to answer the questions of the scrum team. He has the vision that what is the nowadays, what features are common nowadays in market, and he knows that what should be the functionality of the product. He is the person who prioritizes the product backlog. He has the complete control on the scope of requirements, and people or scrum team are asking their questions with him, and he is clarifying to them. So just think of the person as a customer voice, a bridge between the customer and the scrum team, and he has the complete vision of the product. Now responsibilities of chief product owner. He has the same chief product owner has the same responsibilities as the product owner, but at a scale or at a larger concept actually. He sets a strategic vision of the whole scrum of a scrum SOS, creates a single prioritized backlog for the product owner to decompose, before perform release planning for the scrum of a scrum, consolidates a minimal and uniform definition of done that applies to all teams, resolve dependencies and impediments raised by the team, establish and monitor effectiveness matrices, leads the meta scrum event if there is no CCPO to linearly scale the role. Just think of chief product owner as a role person who is basically he has the same responsibilities, similar responsibilities as product owner, but at a larger or at a higher level actually. So basically he is managing the projects using the concept of scrum of scrum, and product owner, he is above than the chief product owner actually. So thank you friend, thanks for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you.